Are you ready to discover the latest folding house on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best folding house of this year. If you want to buy these amazing products, then go through the links which are given in the description box. Product 1. Product name: Purple Leaf Outdoor Screen House. The Purple Leaf 12-foot by 14-foot patio hardtop gazebo double-top outdoor screen house is a versatile and stylish addition to any backyard. This outdoor structure combines the functionality of a gazebo with the protection of a screen house, creating an ideal space for various outdoor activities. Key features include hardtop design. The gazebo boasts a durable hardtop roof, providing robust protection against the elements, including sun, rain, and snow. This makes it a reliable shelter throughout different seasons. Double top. The double top design enhances ventilation while maintaining a cool and comfortable environment inside. It also adds an elegant aesthetic to the overall structure. Aluminum frame. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame, the gazebo is rust-resistant and built to last. The aluminum material ensures the structure remains stable and secure, even in adverse weather conditions. Detachable windows. The gazebo comes with detachable windows, offering flexibility in how you use the space. You can easily remove or attach the windows to control airflow, light, and privacy according to your needs. Product 2. Product name: INNOVANT Portable Prefabricated Tiny Home. The INNOVANT Portable Prefabricated Tiny Home is a versatile and efficient solution for various housing and functional needs. This 19 by 20 foot mobile expandable folding house is designed to provide a compact yet comfortable living or working space. Its 20-foot container design makes it an ideal choice for a guest house, site office, storage shed, or guard house. Key features include portability: easily transportable and quick to set up, making it perfect for temporary or permanent installations. Expandable design: the structure can be folded and expanded, allowing for easy customization and space optimization. Bathroom: comes equipped with a bathroom, ensuring convenience and self-sufficiency. Heater: includes a heating system to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, suitable for various climates. Product 3. Product name: 40-foot Tiny House. The 40-foot tiny house is a versatile and modern solution for those seeking a compact yet functional living space. This portable prefab house is designed with practicality and comfort in mind, making it ideal for various living arrangements. Key features include dimensions and portability. Measuring 40 feet in length, this tiny house offers ample space while maintaining portability. Its foldable design allows for easy transportation and setup, making it a convenient option for those who require mobility or temporary housing solutions. Bedrooms and bathroom. Their house includes 3 bedrooms, providing adequate sleeping arrangements for a small family or group of adults. It also features 1 fully equipped bathroom, ensuring convenience and comfort for daily living. Kitchen. A full kitchen is integrated into the design, allowing residents to prepare meals with ease. This is especially beneficial for those planning to live in the tiny house for extended periods. Product 4. Product name: 19 by 20 feet folding house. The 19 by 20 feet folding house is an innovative solution for those seeking a versatile, portable living space that combines convenience and functionality. This mobile tiny home is designed to be a perfect addition to any backyard, providing a compact yet fully equipped living area that includes a bathroom and kitchen. The folding house offers a prefab construction, making it an ideal choice for various uses such as a guest house, site office, storage shed, or guard house. Key features of the 19 by 20 feet folding house include its easy portability and quick setup, allowing it to be relocated and assembled with minimal effort. The structure's design ensures durability and comfort, providing a practical living space with modern amenities. The prefab nature of the house means that it is manufactured off-site and delivered ready to use, reducing the time and labor typically associated with traditional construction. This tiny home kit is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, making it a great addition to any property. Its compact size does not compromise on essential features, as it includes a well-designed bathroom and kitchen, ensuring that occupants have everything they need for comfortable living. The 19 by 20 feet folding house is a smart choice for anyone looking to maximize space and convenience without sacrificing quality or style. Product 5. Product name: Container Homes. Container homes have emerged as a popular and innovative solution for various housing needs, including garden retreats, warehouses, storage units, vacation houses, and office spaces. These homes are constructed from repurposed shipping containers, typically in sizes of 20 feet and 40 feet, making them versatile and adaptable for different uses. Key features and benefits: portability and flexibility. Container homes are designed to be mobile and easily transportable. This makes them an ideal choice for temporary or semi-permanent installations, such as vacation houses, office spaces, or on-site storage. The 20 feet and 40 foot sizes allow for flexibility in configuration and layout, enabling users to expand or reconfigure their space as needed. Ease of assembly. These homes are prefabricated, meaning they are manufactured off-site and then assembled on location. This significantly reduces construction time and labor costs. The assembly process is straightforward and typically requires minimal tools and expertise, making it accessible to a wide range of users.